Welcome to JH. I've been testing out the Bioteque lab weight loss capsules, and surprisingly, they didn't wage war on my stomach. They're incredibly easy to take, which is great because we all know how challenging it is to remember to swallow a single pill once a day. Once I added them to my routine, I actually felt some control over my appetite, meaning I finally stopped treating my pantry like a 24-hour all-you-can-eat buffet. I also noticed a nice, steady energy boost that helped me power through busy mornings without making me vibrate like a broken lawnmower. The capsules have zero aftertaste, so you won't feel like you just licked the floor of a chemistry lab, which is always a plus. They fit perfectly into a normal human schedule, focusing on steady progress rather than those lose 20 pounds by Tuesday miracles that usually require a sacrifice to the dark gods. I'm feeling lighter and significantly less bloated, and my clothes are finally starting to forgive me for last year's holiday season. It turns out the formula is designed to work alongside actual healthy eating and exercise. Shocker, I know, which makes the whole process feel much more balanced. It's a solid, supportive tool for managing weight and keeping your energy up without the drama. If you're looking for a simple and effective addition to your daily wellness routine that doesn't involve a magic wand, I definitely recommend giving these a shot.